Yes. There is a issue regarding Ken Betwa interlinking of rivers. 1 week ago, Sonia Gandhi had written a letter to the Ministry of Environment regarding cancellation of interlinking of rivers between Ken and Betwa. Are
Yes,
you aware
sir.
of this?
Uh, Sir, I'm not aware of the letter that Indira Gandhi has written, but I am aware of the interlinking of the river and the issues that it will cause and the advantages. I am aware of the issue, sir, but I'm not aware of Sonia Gandhi writing the letter.
What is your view? Whether it should be interlinked?
Sir, yes, sir. I think in the long run, um, we need to be able to feed our population. That is the basic aim of a sovereign country in order to take care of the population. So, taking our example in Karnataka, there is west flowing rivers and the east flowing rivers that has been dissected by Western Ghats. There is about 60% of the rivers, about 70% of the water that flows westwards, which is hardly utilized. And the remaining 30% which flows eastwards, there has been issues regarding sharing of that water between all the eastern states like Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu. So I do think that in a long run, in order to solve our water problems and irrigation being the agriculture being the major occupation still in India, I think interlinking of the river is right step in the wrong in future. But also a proper care need to be taken that such huge developmental activity doesn't cause more harm than it causes good. So it needs to be taken care, sir.
Okay. So in the same way, there is Krishna Godavari interlinking of rivers project also. So you are for interlinking of rivers should
Yes, sir.
take place. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mr. Amrut,
Yes, sir.
what is the favorite food which you cook?
Sir, I love to cook lemon rice, chitranna as we call it in our region, lemon rice, sir. I love it a lot.
But I know I am aware of your region. That is a common food everyone can do. Anything special?
Sir, day before yesterday, I cooked pepper rice. That was also I did it instinctively. There is no. I don't think that anyone has tried it before. I did it instinctively, and it came out very well. So I think that it's not about what I cook particularly, sir. I do cook most of the items that we cook in the present local area. But what's important is I love to cook. That's what important for me, sir.
So, what is the difference between wildlife sanctuary and tiger reserve or national park? What is the difference between national park and wildlife sanctuary?
Sir, national park has more restriction compared to wildlife sanctuary, sir. And the presence of human is very much restricted. The human settlement is very much restricted in national park, while it is not so in the wildlife sanctuary, in the buffer zone, the tourism and all that can happen in the buffer area in the wildlife sanctuary. Right now, that's all I can remember, sir.
There is Project Tiger, there is Project
Yes, sir.
Elephant. Now, one more
Yes, sir.
project is going to come.
Uh, Sir, I'm not aware of it, sir.
Project Dolphin.
Okay, yeah, Project Dolphin. Okay, sir.
So, this Project Dolphin, the dolphins in India are found where?
Sir, in the lower range of Gangetic Valley, the Gangetic dolphin has been present there, sir.
Okay. Yes. Amrut, shall I tell one thing?
Yes, sir.
Very great improvement. Really, very good improvement.
Thank you, sir.
Very good improvement. You continue the same.
Yes, sir.
One more
I will,
mistake.
sir.
One more mistake which I found today is only one time you told, but you should not tell
Okay.
that also.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
You know, which we will tell in the conversation informally. We will tell you know.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. Sir, I don't need to. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
it's a very formal interview process that has been happening.
So when we talk informally, we will be telling that you should not use. You controlled per se, but
Yes, sir.
you used one time this time, but it is incidental, no problem. You know should not be never used.
Sir. Okay, sir. Sure, I won't, sir.
Eye contact is very good.
Yes, sir.
Compared with last video, if I show anyone the last video and this video, they will be shocked.
Thanks a lot, sir. I think there's still a lot of scope for improvement, sir.
Yes, I will tell you.
My mom is.
I will tell them. Now you have to focus on content. What type of content?
Yes,
means, particularly, national
Yes, sir.
park means how it gets established. Wildlife
Okay.
sanctuary means how it gets established. Wildlife sanctuaries for one specific species. National park is not for one specific species, it is for all the species.
Okay, sir. Okay, yeah.
National park is divided.
Yeah, I was not aware of it.
No, like
Not aware of it. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
specifically differentiated oriented, you have to go. Now, your work is
Yes.
content development. Sit at home, prepare content, do content. If you have the
Yes,
content, the same expression is enough.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am preparing content, sir. Step by step, I am improving. With your help, I will improve much further.
Very good, very good. Amrut, really it's appreciable. But content, now focus on content. That's it.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Sir, our next session is on next session.
Next Tuesday. This 1 week complete content development. I will ask you with the next one-to-one session will be screwing type of one-to-one session.
Sure, sir. Sure. Yes, sir.
You have to withstand
Yes.
the pressure from me. I will prepare separate questions for you.
Yes.
This 1 week.
Yeah, sure, sir. Yeah.
This 1
sure,
week you have to prepare.
Sure, sir. Sure. Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot. I'm
Happy
happy.
learning.